Alright, got another piece of wood in here, and I'm going to cut some more pieces off here. We're going to jam it in just to fill out these spaces so we don't use as much resin. Still going to need a lot of resin for this bad boy. That cast is nice. Alright, so we're going to do one more fill on this and try to get up as high as we can on this, because I think we're going to make a pedestal bowl out of this. It looks like it's getting in there real good. We are flat. Rolling. Big old chunk came off of that. Damn. Look at that thing. Hit me right in that damn hand and in the chest. Got a little cut right there. Oh, pump the brake. Damn. Oh, man. That minute you get a catch and that happens. That's why you use negative rake scrapers. Alright, let's keep going with this thing. I gotta change the design because I got some big chunks out of here. Man. It just keeps chipping more and more. Let's go ahead and use this. Alright, now we're going to let it sit overnight, and we will go from there. Because I'm going inside to drink beer. Alright, pretty good. Now it's time to flip this bad boy over and we'll get the other side. I'm going to sit there and show you this, because this is crazy. You got to be able to see this. Watch down here. That's how hard it is. You had to have been able to see that. I can't wait to see the replay. Good Lord. I'm mixing this crap wrong. I can't get through this stuff. I don't know if you can see this. That's flattening this. I don't know why it's so damn hard. I thought I mixed it right. I have tried to drill this out. I think there's a rock in here. So I'm going to use my Dremel and see if I can get it out. Nope. Broke the Dremel bit. Gotta go find my diamond bit. I'll be back. Well, I can't find my Dremel, so I'll just drill some more. That broke my drill bit in there. I'll be right back. Alright, I got a bigger drill bit. Now my battery went dead. Definitely got to figure out how to get around this sucker. It goes all the way on the side over to here. Damn it! Broke another one off! Holy crap, I can't get up in here. I'm about to destroy this bowl. I'm trying to do this. Alright. Holy there's part of it. There's another part of it. Got it out. Alright, I'm done playing with this. I'm going to put it up for until I decide I want to get in there again. Alright, looks like I got it all out. Let's get back to turning. Alright, let's see if I got all the rock out. Alright, I've got a little chip out right here, but I did a while back, and I just need to round this over some more. I've got this wood that I can't get sanded down very well, so I'm gonna put this sanding sealer in to help it soak into the wood, and hopefully it'll help it sand a little bit easier. I'm gonna let this sit until tomorrow. It's not as thin as I want it, but that rock really did a number. I'm gonna show you everything that I did to all my tools getting those rocks out at the end. So stay tuned after I show you the picture of the complete project. Okay, now we're going to put some OB Shine juice on. About 6 coats, but I'll show you guys one. This is for all you disco tech freaks out there.